Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Draw tips and tricks. Not that big a deal, but I just made a video that was part one and I did this. Then I started thinking, let's play with this and make it just fuzzy. So we've got, if you didn't watch part one, you might want to watch it. And our colors are all grouped together, so we're going to go to Object, Group, and Ungroup, so our colors are different. And we're going to use the Bevel tool. It's not that big a deal, but I think it does change some things. Go up to Effect and Bevel. We've got the first one picked, and you could pick any color and hit Apply. And what that's doing is putting a little bit of a bevel on it. And you could do, the darker or the lighter the color, the more it's going to show up. Now, if we will select all this and group it, and then go right here and go to bitmap and convert it to a bitmap. Now, convert it to a bitmap, doesn't matter what color you're using unless you're a printer. Just kind of put it all together so we can use another tool, because it wouldn't have worked if we go to Effect and Blur and Gaussian Blur. And we can blur it quite a bit and just say, okay. Now, if you look, just like in the first video, all the outer blur can be taken away really two ways. Let's try both ways and make sure it works. Let's make a duplicate of that and move it over. So on the first one, what I'm going to do is power clip it, which I really don't like a lot of times, but it does work in this case. Grab your item, object, power clip, place it inside frame, and you have that. And what that did, that put the fuzziness away. And then you could probably left click no outline. Now the other way that I think would be pretty cool would go CE, and you just kind of put them on top of each other and see the blurriness on the outside. Let's make a duplicate of that. And then let's take this one and intersect it. And what intersecting is going to do, it's going to do the same thing as the power clip tool, with the exception that you've still got your item, and see how it took the blurriness off the outside. Anything beyond that line got taken away. Anyway, that's just another way to make a 3D looking rainbow. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.